Kiss your shoulder pain goodbye with some of my favorite exercises. The first few, you're going to need to start with a light resistance band. All of these products will be linked down below in the description as well. Band pull-aparts are a great exercise to target your posterior deltoids, which are usually very weak and lead to people hunching forward, which will usually cause a lot of shoulder pain in their body. Imagine squeezing your shoulder blades as you pull that band apart and come all the way back forward. The next exercise, you will simply flip your hands up, pin your elbows to the sides of your body, and then pull all the way out to the side while keeping your elbows pinned nice and tight. This exercise is an external rotation variation, which also targets a lot of the muscles that are very weak in your shoulder, which can lead to instability and a lot of pain. The next thing you're going to do is take the band, put it behind your head. In this position, you might already feel a decent stretch through your shoulders. After that, you are going to press the band up overhead and try to pull the band apart while you're pushing up overhead. Slowly bring the band back down into position and then practice doing multiple repetitions while keeping that band behind your head. Next, we're going to do some regular rows, tying that band on the side of a rack or a wall or just anything that's nice and sturdy. Focusing once again on pinching those shoulder blades at the back and making sure that your arms are fully extended at the end of the movement so you are using full range of motion. The next exercise, you're going to need a weight plate. I'm using a medicine ball in this, or just any other weight that you can pull behind your head. Essentially what you're going to do is get onto a bench like so, and then allow that ball or weight to hang nice and heavy behind you. You're going to gently allow this to come all the way down until you feel a good stretch through your upper back. And then this might be enough for you. If that already feels pretty demanding on your shoulders and upper back, just simply sit there and let it stretch out. But if you feel comfortable and strong through your shoulders, you can do multiple repetitions where you get a big deep stretch through the back and then come all the way back up. Go nice and light when you start, and you might even just want to use your hands to begin and feel this out. Last but not least is some Y-trap raises. Place the bench at a 45-degree angle, place your hands to the side, and then have a nice neutral spine the entire time. In this position, raise your arms at a 45-degree angle up as high as you can, and then try to once again pinch those shoulder blades as you slowly bring them back down. You might be able to add some dumbbells or weight, but I would highly recommend just starting with your hands and going nice and slow and controlled at first, as if you do this properly, you will feel a very small muscle called your lower trapezius work very hard. All of those exercises will target your shoulder joint directly and bring it back into good neutral alignment. Do 3 sets of 10 to 20 repetitions for each exercise, and you can follow this program 2 to 3 times a week.